So I just wanted to show you something. I've been wanting to do this forever. I kid you not. Only thing I didn't do was press it, so it doesn't look as nice as if it was pressed. But this took me hours to do. I finally did my own glitter palette. I followed Janice Makeups when she did it because I really liked how hers looked full, like full of glitter, and it went on easily. It's like 3 parts alcohol, I think 2 parts glycerin and 1 part aloe vera. And I did like maybe 1/4 of a cup, and I still had left over, but I used most of it. And so basically, you just keep adding whatever glitter you want. I went through all my glitters. I had some Makeup Forever glitter. I had a lot of the Be a Star glitters. I had glitters galore and more. I had like a bunch of glitters, and I have some NYX glitters, but I didn't want to look for those. They were like here and there, you know, and I just didn't want to go all over looking for those, so I just worked with what I had. So I'm pretty happy with this, you know, except that I didn't press it. This is a lot of hard work. It does really make a mess. Usually you're supposed to have work individually by pan and then put them in, but these were already in here, and it was really hard. They kept going into the other colors. It's very, very messy. I tried so hard, but you know, just who I am, I love the birthstones. So the first 14 colors were birthstone. I had only a tiny bit of like a burgundy glitter. I mixed it with a dark red just to be able to do this. So I had the amethyst, the aquamarine, the diamond, the emerald, and then I like 2 June, pearl, and I think it's the alexandrite. And so I mixed this, like I put like 2 dark purples in here, like a dark purple and like a iridescent purple, and in this one I mixed that with like a medium type of purple with a light purple. Then I put ruby, the peridot, sapphire. I made a mess with that one. And then I did opal, and the pink zircon. And I used a different kind of glitter for this one. For the pearl, I used the very iridescent with blues and you know, pinks and all the different like rainbowy holographic colors. But in this one, I used a glitter that only had pink and green, because an opal is pink and green. But with all the mess, I kept getting other colors in there, so that was frustrating. So I mixed like I thought it was a pink holographic, but it started to look lavender, so I put a pink one in here, like a pinky pearly color in there. Then gold for the topaz, and then turquoise for December. Then of course I love my rainbows, so I had a very bright yellow, and then I had like a bright orange that looked kind of peachy. So I mixed a little bit of copper in it. Then this is like a copper. Let me see. Oh, I did rose gold. I mixed like 3 colors to get that color. And then you have your bronze. And then I had a black. And I would have loved, this is like a black with iridescence. And I would have loved a gunmetal. But I would have had to look through my NYX to find. The only gunmetal I have is through NYX. If I even do have it. I think I do, but sometimes I can't remember. So I had like a kind of like a magenta-y purple, so I put it in there. So this is the NYX. You know, I saved my NYX palette, glitter palette. It's broken. It's being held together. This is all funky. So I'm going to redo the top so that it'll look nicer. And so yeah, I did that. That took hours. I think it took about 4 hours. It was really messy. So it took about 4 hours. My hand hurts from trying to hold it steady to pour in the glitter. And then the other thing I wanted to show you is, since the Fantasy Makers summer crap that I went through, I like really not really interested in going crazy over any type of makeup. In fact, I'm like using my money for yarn, but I love my coconut and I love my watermelon. Watermelon, coconut, and rose are like my favorite. I like strawberry too, but mostly watermelon. And so this one is watermelon kiwi. It's a face spray. Milani did this whole like fruit collection. I think for $85 you can get their entire collection, but I didn't feel like doing that. So I just got what I knew I would like. They even have liners to match, but they only picked 3 colors, and the watermelon kiwi is green. So that really I didn't like it. So it was like a lime green, a yellow, and like, I don't know, like I think there's like 2 shades of yellow. I personally didn't like it, but they have like 6 flavors, and the strawberry one was lemonade. I don't really like lemonade, so I just got, again, I got the coconut. It's coconut mango, so it's delish. And then I got the kiwi watermelon. The coconut mango smells better, and I got the lip glosses. They like I said, they had like 6 different flavors, but that's all I got, and it cost me, I think, like $35. I just had enough to get free shipping. I'd rather do that than pay $85 and know I'm not going to use that other stuff. And then, you know, on top of that, I was so pissed because they came out with rose, Physicians Formula came out with rose scented sanitizer, and I was debating, should I pay $8 for something that's only supposed to be $3 just to get this, or should I get stuff that will bring it up to $35 to get the free shipping? And since my PayPal turned over and I got a refund for something, I just decided to just go ahead and do the $35 to get. So I got I got another one of the rose mascaras. They smell good. They make my lashes look nice. Usually I do not rebuy mascaras, but if, you know, since it really made my eyes look nice, I said, fine, let me get that. And I got a few other things. I got another one of the lip colors that I wanted to try, and I think it was something else. And I'm like, I just wanted to get it to $35, but I tried to just get stuff I knew that I would use. And then I got like a free highlighter set. So I was like, oh, okay, that's cool. But it took forever for them to ship it, and then I found it at H-E-B for $3. I was so mad. I could have saved that money. And they never shipped it, and I was going to tell them just cancel it, but it went out. Like, they said, oh, you got to give it till Thursday. They said, because it's been shipped, but it won't show movement till Thursday, and it showed movement today. They said they shipped it, but I'm telling you, it's like been over a week, and I was like, what's going on, you know? So I could have saved that money, but I mean, there was like 3 things in there that I knew I would use, but the other one, I don't know. I don't know if I'll use it, so that kind of pissed me off. So anyway, so I definitely wasn't going to pay $85 for the whole collection after I did that. And then I was at the dollar store. They had, and you can't, I don't think you can get them anymore, but they had this gorgeous collection of eyeshadows from LA Color that they were embossed with flowers. And I was looking for them in the spring, but I couldn't really find them. By the time I found it, 2 of the colors had already sold out. So, and I was, since I was going crazy trying to buy this neon collection, and that, that was expensive, getting all the things I wanted. So I never picked it up. So, yeah, the 2 colors were sold out, and then I went to another store, and then they had like 3 colors sold out, and I was like, I'm not going to go crazy for this. But I like to go to the Dollar Tree to see if there's any more, of the Mark Wynn's, what is it, Color Workshop collection. But I found this Remy Rose. They came out with new stuff. So I just picked one from each thing. I thought this was so cute, and these are $1. It's a lip gloss with a little rose on top, so that's cute. Then this is another liquid lipstick. I thought that was so pretty to mauve. And then it has the what is it? Exfoliator, which is, you know, before you put on lipstick or after you put on a matte liquid lipstick. It's hard to get out. These help. And then I just wanted like a red, so I picked the red lip gloss. And so that's what I got. Yeah, so as for my hair, it's just really thinned out a lot. All my roots are showing. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to, you know, do my roots. I just don't feel like doing it right now. And I have to then I'm gonna do the rainbow, and I wish that, you know, I had someone to help me so I could make it like this, but that is a lot of work, and I can't see behind my head, so I'm not even gonna try that. So I'm just gonna do the stripes, and my hair has thinned out so much. I'm not really sure if I'm just gonna do stripes like, you know, purple, red, blah blah blah. I think I'm just gonna do 6 sections, and just leave it at that, because my hair has really thinned out a lot with you know, with the damage I've done to it. So yeah, so that's what's been going on with me, and I forgot what it's called, but these wraps just don't seem to be working for me anymore. Even the new ones I got, they've been chipping. I took off my nail polish and I redid the bio resin, because that, you know, I knew that I had put that thin layer of the regular gel, but it's still chipping. And it looks like one of them is lifting, and I'm afraid it's going to take my nail with it. So I think after I finish all my wrap stuff, I don't think I'm going to be wrapping it. I might even just save it to use for when a nail, you know, cracks or breaks. What I really, really would like to use, and I don't remember the name of it, but it's like, it comes with these, like, they look like they're fake nails, just like the, you know, the plastic that they use for fake nails, but it covers your whole nail, and they put this gel inside of it, and then they press it on the nail, and they put it in the, you know, that ultraviolet light thingy, and then you just pull off the plastic, and you've got a, you know, nice long nail. I think I'm gonna start trying to do that, because the bioresin has been burning my skin. I don't know what's up with that, and it's very watery, so it's hard to like keep it from going on my skin. So it really burns and hurts, and I'm like, I think after all, and since my nails have kind of been growing even without it, I don't think I'm gonna be doing the wrap anymore. When maybe for Christmas I'll get. They have like all shades of like natural looking colors. They have like a dark beige, a light beige, like they have white, they have pink, or you can get the rainbow set, which that's probably the one I'm gonna get. It's not that bad. It's about, I think for the entire thing it's $80, but yeah, you know, you have to, and one of the things I learned too, I was watching somebody do it on YouTube, is that some of them curl, some of the little plastics curl too much, and you know, you need to try to find some that don't curl, that they're more straighter. So that's my only worry about getting that. But I think the whole collection, if you get everything's like $80, but you know, I used to spend $50, between $30 and $50 every month doing my nails, so that would pay for itself on the first 2 months. So yeah, I mean, this cost me about $20-25 for the wraps and all of that, and it lasts me 6 months to a year, so depending on how often I use it. So 80, you know, that $80 one's probably gonna last me at least a year. So yeah, that's what's going on with me. So anyway, okay. I will see you guys next week. I love you all. Mwah.